Namaskar, my name is Manoj Dhanda. I am founder of utho.com, India's first cloud platform. हम जानते हैं डिजिटल भारत के लिए क्लाउड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर
Status. What should I do for status? I mean, I should define a default empty table for the state, but where? Not sure. Where should I define the empty table for the status? This should be on the neovim launch, right? So status.panel is equals to actually we can just return the state dot get local key status for on an empty table. We can return an empty table, right? So I think we should create a new component in the lualine, and the lualine component will return that status. So first let's import okay assistant require assistant like that. Actually we can do recall. If not okay, then return. Like that. Okay, now we can do assistant status assistant status dot this panel, I guess. So let's see if this works. And let's go to here. It's a null value. Let's do this. Wow, it's literally working. Okay, give me a second, guys. I just have to drink some water. nil, then we can do just simply an empty string. Right? Simple logic. So now we have to go to the assistant.nvim and assistant init, and we have what we have. We have processor like that. Status.panel equals to this. I should update the status here for the compilation. Right, compiled. Okay, the status is compiled now. I can quickly test this. S2 this. So it's compiling and it's compiled. Perfect. So here we are. So now we can just simply change the status here. This is the build process, right? Anyways, we shouldn't use the compiled here, I think. Build status. We should display the build status here, right? We should build the status here. Like currently integrating to the lualine. If I press R, so it shows the compilation in the lualine, and when it's get compiled, it doesn't do anything because I removed the line of updating the status for it, which is good because I want to give the status of the build process. So if the build process is not okay, then we can update the status here, and we do compilation failed. If I press R, it's still compiling because the compilation process is not failed. Let's make a compilation error, and what? The status nil value. The error is coming from the processor 199. Status on nil value? That doesn't make any sense. How it can be a nil value? I didn't set anywhere. Status. Status dot. There are only two places where I use the status, nothing else. So the compilation failed. Why the status is nil value? That literally bothers me. is nil. I just set it up here, then why it is nil value? Why? Well, for formatting purposes, we can use compilation, or you can say building. I think we should use compilation, and compilation running or in progress. How about that? And here we can do failed, I guess. Failed. The compilation error happens, but oh, what? Oh, got it. Build error. Perfect. And here the compilation is failed. Perfect. Okay, pretty good. Right now, what else we can do? We have to update the status of the panel when we where it is? Where is this thing? Here. Execution in progress. Execution in progress, right? Well, we can make it more informative, like that, and we can use test ID, right? And let's see if that works. Let's remove the compilation error and start. Okay, compilation in progress and execution 1 in progress. Perfect. So now we can update the status here, right? And we can assign the status here for this placeholder, and we do test this like that. Test Wait, what? Test case dot status. So if I run this time, it shows compilation in progress, execution 1 in progress, and something is wrong. Something is wrong. What is this? Format accepts a number. Oh, sorry. So if I press R, in progress, and execution 1, AC, perfect. What do you guys think? What else I can implement for the lualine corresponding to this plugin? I'm not sure that we can add colors here, but we will explore that. Don't worry. So execution. Compilation in progress, execution test case 1. Okay, we can use a hash ID to represent a number. Compilation in progress, execution for test case 1 and got AC. I think we should update the status in the same format for execution, like here. So this is the status for the test case. So we can do something like RN. We don't need a placeholder here. We just simply say RN here. How about that? In progress and AC. So let's do a wrong answer. Do I plus 1. Whoa, what? Status nil value. That doesn't make any sense actually. Okay, we got the wrong answer. What is the problem with that? I think I should show my keys actually. That might help a lot. But it doesn't work on different Emacs windows. Like if I reopen the neovim, it doesn't it will not work. Well, I can do something like show keys, and let's do configuration. Something like vim.cmd. Show keys toggle. Okay, so toggle. Perfecto. Right. So if I reopen the neovim, it isn't working actually. Anyways, problem with that. Why the status is nil? I don't get it. I mean, it's working fine for the first run, like this. But when I reopen the UI, it doesn't work. Why? Attempt to index a nil value, line number 244. I think instead of using the plugin directory, we should reset the state of status on whenever we open the neovim, no, assistant UI. So I have to go to the wizard like here, and there are some states, right? So here is the state. So we set it up the local state for status, right? And hope this works. So now it's working, and it's working great. So the plugin directory is not that useful, but now we managed to get it done. So now if I press R, it shows the status here for every test case and the problem. Perfect. I think I should show the status in 2 characters only. So let's go to processor and compilation running rn. It's a file name, so this should work, right? And there should be one more compilation here, right here. Okay, so I think FA is good. Right, so let's try to do one more time. So compilation is running for the, you can see, for the file. Should I combine the extension with the file name? No, I don't think so. I think it's okay. So any check? You're using Arch? Yeah, I'm using Arch, by the way. With Hyperland, actually. So the next thing I have to do, I think I am able to track down the actions for panel. Then what about the which key? So which key is not there, right? And the windows are not aligned properly either. So go to wizard. So I should increase the width a little. Increase the width for which one? I think we have a dialogue, right? So we can increase the height, width like that for the dialogue. Aperture. One more thing, the terminal width. Okay. So, what is the width for? There is only patcher, terminal, dialogue. Yeah, that's it. These are the only things that I need. So let's try the alignment of the windows. Like okay, now it's working fine. Perfect. Now I have to sync down the status for the dialog button, right? So I have to go to actions and go to which key, and in the which key I should set the status before rendering down the keys. State dot set local key of status. No, not like that. Well, just status dot dialog is equals to which key. How about that? Field cannot be injected into a reference or nil. To do so, use class or nil. Oh, come on. So now if I do that, attempt to index a nil value on line 223. Supposed to work, man. It should be get, not set actually. Okay, now it's working. It's switch key. And if I do a compilation error, then it show build error. Perfect. Okay, what else? So on compilation error it show build here, and which key it also show the status here. What should I also integrate with the lualine? Let me think. So this is the which key. I should also track down the motions for patcher. So let's open the patcher, and we should before setting up the canvas, okay, perfect. So let's get the local key and status dot patcher string dot format. Patching %s %s. And what is %s actually? we have content. But I don't think so the content is so useful, because the content is kind of a multi-line. So whenever I want to patch something like output, you can see the output is not that great, because you can see here, like if I want to edit that, this is a multi-line content, and multi-line content cannot be rendered correctly in a single line. So I think I can't do anything, like I should go to the picker. No, let's go to actions and patch test case. So we can do like state dot get local key of status dot patcher string dot format for patcher, and we can do the choice. We can track down the choice, right? So if I do like output, so we are patching the output, right? Oh, sorry, there's a typo here. It should be patching. So if I do input, it's patching input. Perfect. Any chat? Nothing. So we can move forward. So picker is complete. We can also implement this for picker also. This is for patcher. Now we can implement this for picker. What is this thing? Do we have prompt? Yeah, prompt. %s, so there should be, what we call it? Field. So, field. So let's just do like that, and so if I want to edit that thing, it doesn't work. Why? Lua equals vim.bo.file type. Why is this not working? Oh, because it's a patcher. It should be picker. Now you can see picker field. Perfect. Any chats? Nothing. So give me some time, guys. Give me 2 minutes. I go and grab some water. Alright, I'm back. Hydration is super important while coding. So, next thing, it should be picking, right? So, we will improve the naming, the display format for the lualine results. But for now, we just have to implement it right away, right? We can enhance the display format later, but for now, we just implement those. So the picking also work, dialog, patcher, panel, and previewer doesn't need anything actually. Yeah. So actually it's working. So it's okay if you wanna implement or enhance this thing even further, we can do it, but for now it's good, right? So we can commit the changes like that. So it's a feature for extension. Implement an extension for assistant.nvim, right? So let's commit that. And there is one more thing we have to do for the lualine integration. We have to go to the docs. Actually, in the readme we have extension here. Okay, so we can do something like assistant here. Perfect. So is there anything extension? No, I don't think so. Available extensions, perfect. You can define your own extension. Yeah, I know that. Okay, it's okay, perfect. Chat tree. Is there a plugin for chat tree? Chat tree. Okay, let me just pick the phone. Okay guys, I just has to take a small break. I got a call from my friend which is in my final year project, so I had to talk with him. A little discussion, nothing too much. So we are where we are just completing the documentation. So let's commit that thing. Docs readme, add a new entry, or you can say assistant as new entry in extension list. Right, perfect. So now we can push that branch like that. I messed up. I should make a fork for that. Okay, let's make a fork. I'm the 500th fork for this repository, so let's make a fork. Okay, perfect. So I have to change the remote origin for that. So git remote remove, I guess, origin. Yep. And git remote add origin github, not github, a7, my username, and lualine.nvim, I guess, the lualine.nvim. So git remote -v. Okay, perfect. Now we can try to push our branch. So open the lazy key and let's push the origin to here. Perfect. Okay, the branch should be here. Let's make a pull request. Is there any chat? Perfect. So okay, we can implement an action for support. Perfect. So let's create a pull request. It doesn't resolve any issue, so I didn't add anything. No conflict with the base branch, and there are so many tests. Okay, I didn't break anything actually. And these tests are so fast. They are literally so fast. change only 2 files. I add one and I modify one. Perfect. Alright, then so lualine. Okay, I'm done. Fix, change window width. There are actions. Right, perfect. So should I really change that? Okay, perfect. So what should I do now? So what should I do now? I don't want to push that in. Really, I don't want to push that changes because my pull request is not merged yet. So I have to wait until this pull request get merged. Then I can push my code so that whenever I update my code, the lualine changes are in sync. So we successfully integrate the lualine extension with our plugin, and it's working fine actually. There's only one thing left for the stream, which is the auto saving feature. Like whenever the user save a file, the defined test by the user should be automatically run. I think this is a cool feature. But is that feature be useful? I'm not sure. Anyways, we successfully raise a pull request. Hope they merge this soon, and then I will push my latest changes to the plugin. So as soon as they merge these changes, I also merge those changes in main and stable also. So we just have to wait and watch before merging the new changes in our plugin. So that's it. So that's it, guys. If anyone has any question, you can ask, because I'm about to end the stream.